Inhale, exhale. One more breath. Release. Set your intention for this moment. You are present. Let go of everything. Believing that, as humans, it is within them to wonder, explore, and discover, to coexist and partake in their surroundings, to grow spiritually and create a lifestyle that is completely their own. Who we meet influences and inspires us, and what we allow ourselves to be open to. The universe listens to our intent and paves an unknown path worth seeking, worth discovering. That is where the adventure lies.